When we came to Gibraltar, we knew that there were tunnels throughout the rock, including siege tunnels from the 1700s and tunnels used during the two World Wars. While there are some that are widely advertised to tourists, our preference has always been to find things that are off the beaten path or in as original condition as possible. One of the easiest historic tunnel systems to access in Gibraltar is the Northern Defences. Known to locals as the Jungle, the area is filled with ruins and tunnels from the 1700s through to the Second World War. When we were there, it was still free to explore and we generally had the place to ourselves. To get to the entrance, you just walk through the tunnel at the end of one of the roads through the Moorish castle estate. So for a little bit of context, that up there is the current tour and we're down here. Adventure dog! Got him!
The dog sucks, she gives me away no matter where I hide. Did you find the ring? Not the ring that you want. Just one of these gold ones.
Does it whisper sweet nothings at night?
No, that's the one he wants.
This is like Cape Town. 1,000 rand.
1,000.
Oh.
Where we're about to explore is all inside of the cliff here.
Still working.
I think Trent's just playing with a big gun. You're noisy.
Kickflip. How's all the pieces?
I thought it was like a...
Someone's carried their gun off.
I thought it was like a jackhammer berthed.
They probably start the Kendrick's hilarious. They probably start the gun to the Russians.
So to your left, this is spiral staircase. Yeah, Trent went up there yesterday. Yeah, it doesn't go anywhere.
Just watch your head.
Oh my god, there's a monster coming from the depths. Ah! What dog?
Around.
Nothing at the top.
No.
Nah. I can't really have bothered to piss that off, you know what I mean? I reckon that they've not cleaned out that whole top. Obviously couldn't get it out. As the bearings just disintegrating under it.
All on the bottom.
So they're not lying outside when they say this is the Queen's Range Gallery.
Did it really?
So as you can see, there's a tunnel going off to the left. Someone else has put a ladder here. So these two are about to check that out. So what happened?
There's another shaft.
Going down?
This one goes up to a shooting gallery full of baby pigeons.
Yep.
And then there's another shaft goes down to another massive hallway.
But there's like an old rusted pulley where they hoist ammunition and supplies up from another cave system further down. But our rope's too short to go down that one.
You gonna go down another day?
Yeah, we're gonna see if we can get some climbing gear and use the old cane halyard or something. Whoa. What else comes out of the magic hole? What? Oh god, no, send it back.
Oh god.
Do you know how many spiders are at the entrance of that hole? Yesterday, Trent and I were kind of bored, so we jumped onto Google Maps because there was nothing else on Google in Gibraltar that had done. And Trent spotted this place in the bushes down near the bottom of the rock. So we came, and it was a massive tunnel system that hasn't been commercialised just yet. So we came back today with Tynan and the actual torches and the gear. We've done what was the end for us yesterday, but now all through this cliff here, there's just massive old war tunnels. So we're going to take Tynan through them now and see if we can find anything else today that we didn't find yesterday. So just for a little bit of context, so we're on this level, we're above like the ground level in the main town, but up there you can see some like big holes in the cliff. That is where the current World War II tour goes through. So significantly higher, and I'm pretty sure there's going to be more tunnels in between the two levels. Because as Tynan found out, there is more tunnels through the Rock of Gibraltar by at least double than there is roads in present day Gibraltar. So it's definitely proving to be true.
Wikipedia never lies. Do a flip.
Alright, go and get him.
Oh, did I come back to you? Did I come back to you? Yes! The shovel? I found it yesterday.
So you got busy with it.
It was buried behind this. So there was other people there?
I thought I did hear someone out there just then.
We been down here?
No, we didn't go there yesterday.
Cool, that's good.
More stairs up that way.
I can't believe we did. This used to be a walkthrough.
To Moore's Head.
Bricked it up.
Isn't Moore's Head on looking out over the bay? Where that other...
Moore's Head's attached to Moore's shoulders. You know anything about technology?
I thought it was just you want Moore Head.
I think this place is haunted. That looks like black demon goo.
Quick, steal his shoes.
Here, shall we have some period watching? Someone obviously starting to do.
What you doing, Rose?
Do you want to go get changed? You don't fit. You don't fit. I know now you've got some.
Oh.
Does anyone want a free dog? Oh, no, no,
Right, stop.
Ew, stop. You're disgusting. Oh, you're lucky I love you, because that was disgusting.
More?
Don't do it again.
What I need is a way on this side I can support my weight to lift over this. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, that's it. Beautiful. Just save my fucking clean cheese, buddy. Washing the corner. Sweet. Not the shorts, the one pair of shorts. Hey, this roof's not falling in here. Maybe I can do the honours of falling on me.
I hope not.
Oh no. If this roof fell in on me, I'd be like, oh no. Oh no.
Oh, that's gonna fall out if I pull it.
Oh, you just.
Vandalism on camera.
I broke Gibraltar.
Better put it back.
I think so, otherwise we might be cursed.
I laughed at her since I saw it. No good guys gonna hang around here. Oh, you can get up there and grab the other one.
So close.
In the words of someone on YouTube.
Send it.
What do you want me to do?
Climb up.
Oh, you want me to try and climb up?
There's a handhold.
Christmas. There's a handhold.
Right, what is in this cave? Rubbish. Whoa. More rubbish. And I'm guessing water tanks. Oh, what the? Whoa. No, thank you. Heaps of cool stuff. Much interesting, such tanks.
Think it was a little bit further the way you're going.
These would have probably been offices or barracks.
What's in here? Oh, that's right.
I think it's original brick. This is the most expensive tour. The tour guide of Trent. $1,000 US per hour.
I liked it when it was £1,000.
Oh.
So I think they're talking about like bullet arc for the machine gun nests, so they can adjust their sights faster rather than having to zero in. In the other one there was like handwritten notes next to the picture, and it's like tree line 2 marked from 0.
Girl, come to dirty. Oh my god.
Hunting it up.
Look at this. I mean, you can't get out of the machine under that. Probably, there's a bunker there. Hey, will you drop this?
They yell down them or?
We spent the last few hours going through all the tunnels here and we've made it to the other end. There is a gate at this end, but it's locked today. It was left unlocked yesterday. So we're just gonna have to backtrack out the way that we know that you can come in and out. So just means a little bit of a walk through all the caves and everything. And then I'm pretty sure it's gonna be Saturday o'clock again. But for now, I'm pretty sure Trent's throwing rocks at me, so I'm gonna go find out. All right, successful day of exploring, I think.
Right, now what?
This way to get out.
Who said that?
It
was Jesus! I saw him!